This is how I updated this mount. But first, if you like this kind of content, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel so I can finally leave my day job. Please? Today I decided to do something different. No weapons or items. It is time to upgrade a World of Warcraft mount. But this is not just any mount, no sir. This is a mount with an extremely frustrating drop rate. 1% to be precise. Deathcharger's Reigns. I have to admit that I underestimated the time it would take to do this upgrade. In order not to have to start this mount from scratch, I downloaded the original model and opened my favorite program, Blender. Now it was time to define how much I would like to change in this model. But I must admit that I was afraid to change it too much and mischaracterize it. So in order to keep the same feel of the classic version, I didn't change the model too much. I just added a few polygons here and there, and that was it. Nothing too fancy. After that came one of the most painful parts of the whole process, preparing the UV map for texturing. It is in this phase that the orientation of the textures are defined and— Boring! Okay, yeah, I know. I'm sorry. After that, I prepared a new mesh with a higher polygon density to sculpt the details. These details will be used by the texturing program to create a base where I will make adjustments by hand. Then I took both versions into substancepainter and generated all the mesh maps. Now the model has retained the details of the high poly version. This makes painting later easier because it allows me a base color to work with. After many hours of tiring work painting details that no one will notice, I was finally satisfied with the result. Now it was time to render everything.
Finally!
Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the updated Deathcharger's Reigns. What do you think?